What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Oscar Ramos, your host, and in this video, I want to talk a little bit about Terra Luna Classic LUNC. Now, I don't know when this video is going to be posted on the channel, but by the time you watched it, I'm pretty sure that the price you're seeing right now would have changed, and it's going to be either higher, lower, the same. It will be up to that date. But on the broad scale, I just want to speak macro here for a second. If you're a beginner, right? If you're just starting crypto in 2022 or a month ago, a week ago, or just today, obviously, I'm sure if you go to Twitter or if you're asking anyone that you know about crypto, it could be that they're going to start telling you anything regarding to buying LUNC, which makes sense because as you're seeing on the screen on a week view, the price has completely exploded. Now, there's a reason behind, right? There's a reason why it crashed in the first place for $100, over $100 that it reached once. Then, of course, the massive crash that Terra Luna had with Do Kwon's fault and everything that occurred back in the day in May and so of this year. Now, it collapsed, went basically to worthless, but now it is still less than a penny, but the price is growing up. Now, as a beginner, as someone who's starting in crypto, let me tell you, us or me, someone who has been in this space now over a year, I still don't have everything right. Some people that could be watching this video that are watching me on my YouTube channel will agree, right? Because we don't know the future, and when it comes to crypto, it's all up for grabs, right? We can get excited and we can get surprised with prices that we didn't think about it, or we can get disappointed because we thought it was going to go up, but it massively crashed. Really depends. But one thing that is true is that when it comes to this one, that it falls into the category of community tokens / meme coins, the volume, the hype, and the number, the size of the community really affects a lot whether it's going to grow positively or negatively. And in this case, it has grown positively. Now, I'm explaining this very detailed so anyone can understand. Because let me just tell you, the bottom price that we recorded on Terra Luna Classic was roughly June, at the beginning of June, which I know there's a bunch of things here. I just wanted to give you the clean view, but we were looking at 404. Remember that number, 404. Now, what is the number right now? 302. So from 404 to 302, we have grown 559%. 559% from 404 to 302. That is 5x. That is 5x. You buy $1,000, now you're sitting at roughly $5,000. Now, I'm talking about it because I really wanted to give my opinion about this one from ClearCryptos, so you are aware of what's going on right now in crypto, the latest, and because we're in a bear market. It is obvious. I mean, just compare Bitcoin price for a second. It doesn't look like it's seeing a 550 something percent, right? Have a Shiba Inu, one that we all know, Crocoin, Ethereum, they're down. But what's happening, everybody, is just that community from Luna Classic has come together. I am one of those creators that is also creating content for it. There's high demand. People want to know, people want to see what they can find and agree or disagree with whoever. And that's good. It's all crypto. But there are a couple of things that are beneficiating the hype of this crypto. And whether you like it or not, it's making money for some people. And will it eventually crash? Well, obviously, right? Because when will it crash is the big question. When will it start correcting? It is a big question. I've been saying it for a while and it hasn't happened yet. But I'm sure that as we had here on 301, that was the previous all-time high after this, right here, 3016. This was after this mess, even here in May at 3018. So as you can tell, Terra Luna Classic for a while just consolidated months throughout the summer. Now the beginning of September, finally starting to back up again and in a very high speed. There's a number that a lot of people are saying right now when it comes to predictions, $1. And a lot of people also say 1 cent or more. So this is for you to be aware. This is for you to know that in crypto, you always have opportunities like this. that you are the decision maker to jump in or not, because these are the opportunities that make you thousands of dollars, no kidding, but these are also the opportunities that make you lose thousands of dollars if you don't do it right. And here the big question is, right, well, how do I know I'm doing it right? Well, I think the answer to that is you need to just take a look at the charts very frequently and understand profits and understand not being greedy enough. Because as someone who's been in this space for a while, and it is not my first rodeo seeing something like this, I can tell you that until sellers come in, that's when buyers will start ceasing from buying. Once sellers come in and start pushing the price down, that's it. It's over. But it's gonna be fine until we see the top price, because so far the price of Terra Luna Classic is right here at 3029 according to KuCoin from TradingView, but I also saw it earlier today much higher than that. Everybody, thank you for watching. Now you know what's going on with LUNC. I'll see you next time, everybody. Peace.